In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gmail account without phone number. By the end, you'll have a brand new inbox set up and you won't be required to add a phone number during sign up. Start by opening your Chrome browser and heading to Google's homepage. In the top right corner, click Sign In. On the Sign In page, look for Create Account and choose for Myself. This tells Google you're creating a personal email. If you're already signed into another account, that's okay. Just proceed from the Sign In page. You can also use a private or guest window if you want to keep things separate while you create the new account. Next, enter your basic details. You'll be asked for your first and last name, and then you'll pick a Gmail address. Google will suggest some options, and you can also create your own. Aim for something easy to remember and professional if you plan to use it for work or school. If your first choice is taken, try adding a short word or a few numbers that make sense to you. Create a strong password for your new account. Choose something long and unique, ideally a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This helps protect your account from unauthorized access. Re-enter the same password to confirm, then click Next. On the next screens, Google may offer a recovery email address. This is optional, but it's helpful if you ever forget your password, so consider adding one you trust. You can also skip it if you prefer. When you see the phone number field, you can skip it as well. Look for the skip option and move forward without adding a number. In some cases, Google may still display security checks. Just continue with the on-screen prompts. From here, follow the remaining instructions to finish setup. You may be asked to review Google's privacy and terms. Take a moment to scroll through and click I agree when you're ready. You might also see a quick verification step like a simple challenge to confirm you're not a bot. Continue through any basic personalization screens and keep skipping the phone number where a skip option is provided. Once everything is complete, you'll be taken to your new Gmail inbox. You've successfully created a Gmail account without using a phone number. You can customize your inbox later with themes, labels, and filters, but you're all set to start sending and receiving emails right away. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Gmail tips and tutorials.